y'all got an exhaust growl, we're gonna fix this. But this is a Buick. Normally for a little tiny leak, we just use like a tin can and some worm clamps. This is a high-class vehicle. So we got a high-class redneckery with a man clamp. And of course, don't forget your favorite exhaust cement. I got a tiny little leak up here. And you know, at first it was just like a meh, and now it's more of a meh, and I don't like it. And I really don't want this piece of pipe to fall off and go. So let's fix it. We are going to get our muffler cement. Ooh, this one's still a fresh one. Okay, we're gonna grab some muffler cement. We're gonna fill in that little hole, and according to the muffler cement, that'll be fine. But remember, this is a Buick. We're gonna make it nice. This would be much easier on a hoist, but then again, if I could afford a hoist, I could afford the exhaust pipe. Oh yeah, let's give her a little extra just for luck there. Nope. Now I have the appropriate sized man clamp here. We're just gonna wrap it around. So that will pre-bend there. Help it wrap a bit easier. Things never pop somewhere easy to fix. Whew, that's irritating. You think this voids my warranty? I'm thinking it probably does. There we go, got my special notching pliers. I could have measured where to notch it, but I just made a bunch of notches. That ought to do. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff, nice and round. Maybe this is one where I should have just tested the exhaust cement without a additional accessory. That is absolutely golden. Where'd my nuts go? In my mouth. Oh, this is awful. That looks pretty decent. I just got to figure out how to tighten that nut. On an impact, make sure you're using the proper wobble, because you know, these ones are dangerous. Everything on this is perfectly safe. Okay, here we go, here we go. It's like 180 degrees opposite of where I need it. Stop. Hammer time. I gotta do this like a freaking peasant. What is this peasantry? Ah, rust, rust, rust. Ah. Huh. Guess you need these even without power tools. Rust is still in my eye. Now I'm just holding it in there. Now there's oil in my eye. Oh yeah. That's a thing of beauty there. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. That's some Class A work right there. Proud of that. I should just take a picture of that, put it on the wall. And when you're done, don't forget to slide your protective cover back up. Yeah. Let's go test it out. It's gonna be super quiet. Basically, it's gonna be the Cadillac of cars. Still leaks. Maybe I should have just replaced that flex pipe.